Hi, and welcome to a new Whimsy Stamps product release video. Today we are sharing the brand new 4x6 clear stamp called UFWHOA. There are so many great sentiments and images in this stamp set. We have two aliens flying in their unidentified flying objects, as well as a banner where you can stamp lots of the different sentiments inside of it, and you can have it trailing behind your alien. I've stamped this out in some black ink on white cardstock so you can see all of the sentiments and the great images. There are so many fun ones like UFWHOA, you're old, I want to believe, brain removal 100% complete. There's so many fun things you could do with this stamp set. I decided to use our little alien with the very concerned looking face and the UFWHOA You're Old sentiment on this card. I also used some awesome new products, and everything is linked down below in the description. You can also find links to our social media sites where you can find even more inspiration using the brand new UFWHOA stamp set. Bye!